A Day in My Life as a first-year college student in ADNU, Editing Edition! Woo! Magpupuyat na naman tayo! Hi, I'm Jibril Bugtong, a first-year information system student. We have a new client, si Kuya Ref. He's a car guy na content creator. Inavail niya yung short-form service natin.
I'm worthy, very educational yung
Yes po, yes po.
If I were you, if you can find the way na pag nagsasalita ako, merong graphic or caption or whatever that can kind of strengthen what I'm saying, mas okay.
Nakataswa ng meeting namin. Gusto ng client natin is style muna natin. Pero mostly ang gusto niya talaga is mag-graphics. And about his video, it's about a product na sinend sa kanya ng isang company. To be honest, kinakabahan ako dahil this is my first time editing this kind of niche. Ang kinagandaan rin dito is meron na siyang prepared na script na susundin na lang natin. Na also nasan niya na rin yung kanyang video, which is this. Anyway, itong gagawin ko ngayon is a rushed edit kasi need it tomorrow agad. It's 11 PM and dapat matapos natin to ng mga 3 o'clock. So medyo kinakabahan ako. But tara, let's start our editing. Tara, kain muna tayo dahil nagutom ako. Actually, snacks pala. We have here the Bear Bread Milk and the Choo Choo Cake Bites. Actually, ang sarap na itong Choo Choo Cake Bites. Time check, it's 6:06 AM and natapos rin tayo sa inedit natin. Ibang klase pag rush edit. Talagang nakaka-pressure. Dagdag ipon na naman for our tuition fee. Pakita ko sa inyo ng sneak peek yung video na inedit ko.
Hi Ref, what are your must-haves in for keeping your windshield clean naman? I use the Boss Advantage wipers. Easy to install, affordable, and made with high quality.
If you wanna watch the full video, punta na lang kayo sa channel or sa account ni Kuya Ref. But that's it for today's A Day in My Life. Thank you guys for watching. Love na love ko kayo. Kasi matutulog na ako.